Hey, Angela here from Axe Root Homestead, and today I'm really excited because this is the first episode in a new series about getting handy and building things around the homestead. So I've been wanting to build an 18-foot long harvest table for a long time, and now I have the perfect excuse. Annette of Azure Farm and myself have just written and released a new cookbook called The Harvest Table, and I've got a launch party coming up. So we're going to be building not one, but two 18-foot long harvest tables because we're going to have about 40 people coming to celebrate and eat with us to celebrate the release of the cookbook. Now I'm handy, but I'm small, so I need a little extra muscle, and who better than my friend, Ricardo.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you? Thank you for coming. So this is my friend Ricardo. He does my hair. In addition to being an amazing stylist, he does gardening, he's a nurse, and he's the muscle behind today's project. So we're going to do a harvest table.
Yes, I'll be your assistant for the day.
All right, here we go. Okay, so if we're going to go with Raul's 18-foot measurement, each of these would be 9, but these are 10-foot boards.
Okay.
So if we want to do two 10-foot sections, you have to cut.
Okay.
That's awesome. But we're going to do 6 legs total. And then these are going to be 2x4s cut in half to be 4 foot each.
Okay.
Right? And they're going to frame each side. And when we're done with the frame, we're going to lay these on top together.
Very. So we should maybe like
first Thanksgiving style, all the people join together at the harvest table.
Yeah.
Right?
But what about functionality afterwards? And
well,
also storage. And also.
But it's an outdoor table, so there's no storage.
Okay.
We entertain a lot. Excellent work table for all of the stuff I harvest, bring out. It's very functional. And if we decide we only want one instead of two, just take it apart, store the wood in the lumber rack.
Now, is there any way that we can maybe do some modification that you could probably have it split and then you could assemble it together so you have an easier way of transporting when you want to move it around?
Not at this time.
Okay.
I don't have the legs. Let's just try. We can cut
Let's
up
try
a
it.
Let's just try. We'll get one assembled, and if it's stupid.
Yeah, but I'm not saying not assemble it, but also assemble it with modifications that you can always unscrew it. So we could probably do like, if you're doing it with screws, how about maybe not doing screws, doing bolts?
Okay, so maybe
like I want to be able to dance on this.
And I now expect you to at the launch party. Okay, so maybe what we do, to your point, is we get this together as one section.
Yes.
We get this together as the other.
Yes.
Right?
And then do bolt. Yes.
To the legs.
Yes.
Do you feel good about that?
Bolts to the legs and also having one bolt in the middle so your table doesn't come apart.
Do we want to cut an extra foot off of each section? Do you think it should be 9 foot?
If we're gonna give it the functionality that you could take it apart, why do that?
Okay.
Because then whenever you have a small party or you need just a small table, you have a piece that you could divide.
So now essentially I'm going to have 4 10-foot tables.
Yeah.
All right.
Cool. The thing I didn't take into consideration is that you were doing this. So this
The second
is not
frame.
Move anywhere.
Right.
I have to remind myself that you're not a weakling. I was telling Angela that I do everything by feel.
Not measure.
Or level.
Or level. Okay.
You're like, okay, hurry up.
No. part one is done.
Yes.
We are going to add some border work. So that means we're not affixing these to the frame yet. We're going to do some staining. Well, we're going to do some customizing to the woodwork so it doesn't just look like a picnic table. But this is a finished product for today. So this is part one. And I think we did good today.
Yes. And stick around for part two.
Yeah, part two. Coming at you soon. Thank you for your help today.
Oh, you're welcome.